Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is a special day because I got something new in the mail today. I got my Kindle Paperwhite 11th generation. I got my Kindle from Facebook Marketplace from someone who resells e-readers. I tested it a bit earlier and registered my account, and I found no problem with my Paperwhite. It is such a darling. I love it to bits and I can't wait to read my books on it. Besides the Kindle, the seller also gave me a bunch of freebies, including a green crochet sleeve, a clear case, a pop socket, and some stickers. I could not resist hopping here to show you guys how I would decorate my Kindle. Besides the free stickers I got for the Kindle, I also got a few stickers from the pins I bought a few days ago. I also have a collection of other stickers I use whenever I journal. So, without further ado, it's time for me to personalize my Kindle. So, if you're watching this video, chances are you might already have a Kindle and you like to watch other people talk about the beauty of e-ink and e-readers. Or, you're someone on the fence about buying a new e-reader, so you hop online to see what other people are talking about. Or maybe you're just someone who enjoys bookish content like I do. Regardless, I'm going to share my thoughts about buying secondhand Kindles and my personal reasons on why I want to upgrade, and hopefully it might help you decide on whether or not to buy secondhand as well. My biggest tip when buying a Kindle is to buy refurbished or secondhand. My first Kindle was a Kindle Touch that I got from Facebook Marketplace, and it still works like a charm to this day. E-readers are not like phones where you need the latest and greatest upgrade. Kindles and other e-readers like Kobo and Nook for that matter can work for decades without a hitch. Besides, at the end of the day, a Kindle is meant for reading books. You don't need the most demanding tech to do that. It is also cheaper and better for the environment. If a Kindle is not for you, at least you know you did not splurge to buy a new device that will be stuck in your closet. Now let's talk why I want to upgrade my Kindle in the first place. One of the reasons I bought this Paperwhite was because I thought it was high time to upgrade my Kindle Touch. The Kindle Touch was no longer supported by Amazon, so I had to add books through Calibre. Also, for some reason, the clock was no longer synced. I believe this has something to do with the fact that you need to register your device so that it would sync automatically, but I think that's stupid. Another reason was the backlight. I love reading before going to bed. And even though my Kindle Touch came with a case that had a nightlight, I much prefer the even lighting of the Paperwhite. The backlighting is controllable. You can control how bright you want it, how dim you want it, how warm you want it. It's good for the eyes. But don't worry, my Kindle Touch will go to someone I know who will take good care of it, and I will hold onto my paper white for years to come. And speaking of paper white, here she is. Isn't she lovely? I personally love all of the stickers I put onto this. Although I might change it around in the future, I'm sticking to what I have on the back. I am going for a more natural theme with a mixture of florals and quotes, as well as cats because I love cats. If you stuck around until the end of this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. I post about things that I love, including books, art, and writing. Until next time, goodbye. Cause you make my earthquake, ooh. You make my earthquake, ooh. Running around, your love is shaking me out. It's making my heart break, ooh.